Okay guys, dito tayo sa Muni Muni Food Hall. Ayan. Food Hall.
Ano?
Going down. Going down. Much better. At least may space dito. Ito yung kainan dito sa baba.
I can feel
Meron din kumakanta dito sa taas. So, while waiting, ayan, ito yun. And then, dito sa kabilang side, kita nyo parang amphitheater. There you go. And there's a falls coming down. Garden.